Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to try the Stila's Kiss the Stars liquid lipstick. So they are called Stay All Day liquid lipstick set. They claim that this lip color wears comfortably for up to 12 hours. So it's supposed to stay all day. So there are 3 colors inside and it's written at the back as well. So they are Baci, Serenata and Perla. And I'm going to try them and then I'm going to review them. So this one is the Stila's Kiss the Stars Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick Set. And it has a very nice wrapping, so it looks like a gift with the ribbons. So there are 3 liquid lipsticks inside and they are Baci, Serenata and Perla. So this one is Baci. And this is the applicator. The next one is Serenata. So the containers look almost similar and also the applicator is the same shape and size. And the next one is this one is Perla. So the consistency of the liquid lipstick is quite thick and it took some time for them to dry on the hand. So I used the makeup remover to remove the product and there was no staining. So this one is the Baci and I'm going to show how the color looks on my lips. So I have already put my lip balm to moisturize my lips so that it won't get dried when I'm using liquid lipsticks. So I'm going to quickly dab off the excess lip balm. So the liquid lipstick has already dried. I can see a little bit of the stain, very light transfer. So it's not transferable after it dries out. So it's quite difficult to remove just with the dry tissue paper. So now it is 3:50. So I'll check how this one wears off. So it has been 12 hours and it's quite late. So I just want to check up on my lipstick. So it did wear off a little bit, but most of the product is still on my lips. And I did have dinner. I drank many juice and also I did eat something oily. So I do believe if you take care of your lips, it can last 12 hours long. Because even after eating, drinking and everything, I still have so much product left. So this one is Serenata, and I'm going to show you how it looks on my lips. So I have already put on lip balm before, so I'm going to remove the excess lip balm. So the product has dried. So it is now 2:40. I'm going to check on 12 hours later. So it has been 12 hours and this is how the lipstick look. So this one is Perla, and I'm going to show you how it looks on my lips. So this is how the color looks. And I think I applied too much because now it's a little bit sticky. So there is a little bit of outline of the lip product. So it does not transfer. So there's a little bit of transfer here on the tissue paper. But then most of the product is still on my lips. So it can be removed with dry tissue paper, but you have to use a lot of force. So it's not that easy. So the time is now 2:30 and I'm going to leave it on for 12 hours and see whether it can last for 12 hours. So it has been 12 hours and this is how the lip product looks. So most of the products are still on my lips, and I did have dinner and I had lots of snacks and juice, but my lips are starting to feel dry. So do this liquid lipstick live up to their claim that they last up to 12 hours? And the answer is yes. So I have tried all three of them on different days and they could really last for 12 hours. So it's true. So even with eating and drinking, I could still have some product at the end of the day. But obviously if you go and rub your face or use makeup remover, they're not going to last. By lasting up to 12 hours, I mean that you just put it on your lips and you just let it be and let it wear off naturally. So let's talk about the good parts. So firstly, the packaging. So they're all mini size and they come in this transparent tubes with the gold cap. So this one looks very pretty. And also the size is only 1.5 milliliters. If it's a color you want to try, then it's really great. Especially for me, I really like to try different lip products, so I don't really end up using one lip product for a long time. So I like to change my lip products. So it's better for me if I get them in mini size or a small size, then I can try more products. And I normally don't finish my lip product. Most of the time I have to throw it out or give it away to my relatives because I would end up buying new ones. So let's talk about the application. So for all three of them, the applicator comes in the same shape, and also the application is very smooth. So when the liquid lipstick is in liquid form, it can apply very smoothly, and when it dries, it will become a matte finish. And also all three colors are very opaque, so you can see the colors on the lips. You don't have to apply a lot of product, so just one dab you can apply it all over your lips. And then I want to talk about the colors. So the Baci is actually a nude lipstick, but it has a purple undertone. And then this one is the Serenata, which is what I have on my lips right now. So the Serenata, it looks like a chocolate brown color on my lips. And for the Perla, this one is also nude lipstick, but it also has a purple undertone. I was not really into nude lipsticks, but after trying the one with the purple undertone, I quite like it. So I think I'm going to wear the purple toned a lot. And it seems I'm liking a lot of purple things they see here. And also the most and important good part is the longevity. So they can last up to 12 hours. And also when it wears off, you will have most of the product left on your lips. Even the wearing off process, it's not like part of the product is removed. Most of the lips will have the product. It just get a little bit lighter. So for some other liquid lipstick, most of them will wear off starting from the inner part of the lips. But for this one, I could see that most of the area of my lips had the liquid lipstick, so which was great. And also after the liquid lipstick dries, the product does not transfer much. But if it's not dry yet, then it does transfer. So you have to let it dry out completely, then they are not going to transfer at all. So I think these are really good liquid lipsticks to put under the mask. I did try them on under the mask, and after I took off the mask, the liquid lipstick really stayed put. It looked like exactly how it was when I left home, and which is what I was looking for. Okay, so those are the good parts. And in terms of longevity, as I have checked that they do last up to 12 hours, which is great. If you're going to an event or you're going to be moving around a lot, you won't have enough time to do touch-up, then this is great. And you can just put it one time and you may not even need to carry it for touch-up. But while doing the test for 12 hours, I did find that I actually don't need a liquid lipstick that lasts up to 12 hours. That's quite long. If the lipstick can last up to 5-6 hours, I think that is already good enough. And if it does last 4 to 5 hours, I can apply and do the touch-up. So I think those are fine. But this one do last a long time. So let's talk about the things that I did not like so much. So firstly, the applicator is good. It's small in size. Although it is straight at the bottom part, the end part is a little bit inclined. So it does help to get most of the area. But the problem is when I take off the cap, there's a lot of product on the tip and also on the neck of this tube. So I think all the product just keeps coming out. So that's not so good. Then I'll be wasting a lot of product that is just coming out of the tube and I'm just wiping it off. So it's not only for one of them, actually all of them are like that. So the product comes out a lot, and this is really a lot, especially for my lips. I don't need so much product. So that's one of the issues I have with this product. And also the scent, all of them have the same scent, and to me it's not a pleasant scent. I feel like I'm just smelling some chemicals, so I don't like the scent. But after I apply it and let it dry, the scent will go away. So I don't feel the scent from my lips right now. But when I'm applying it on my lips and if I bring it closer, then I can smell that scent. So I don't really like the scent that much. And next thing I want to talk about is the consistency of the product. So I like the consistency of these two products. This one is Baci and this one is Serenata. So this one, when I apply it on my lips, it feels light. And it's just like I don't have much product on my lips, so that's very comfortable. So but for Perla, this one, it seems it's a little bit thicker, and when I apply it on my lips, after it dries, it did feel a little bit like paint, and it was a little bit sticky as well. For the Baci and Serenata, they are not that sticky, but for Perla, it's a little bit sticky. They two are very similar, and this one felt a little bit different on my lips. So I was thinking maybe it's because my lips were dry, so I tried it again one more time, but I got the same feeling again. So it is the consistency of this Perla that made it thicker and a little bit like paint. But in comparison to some of the liquid lipstick I've tried, it's not that bad. It's still okay. And one more thing about this set is these two colors, they look quite similar to me, Perla and Baci. So Perla is like a lighter shade of Baci, but Baci feels much better on the lips. So if I were to buy them individually, then I wouldn't purchase both of them because they look a little bit similar. So in terms of my preference for these three colors, I like Baci the best, and then I like Serenata next. So Perla is my last choice in this set. But overall, I do like this set. It's just my review is really depending on how it looks on my lips, on my skin tone. So maybe this nude colors will look different on different skin tone. So I did enjoy trying this product, and it's really good because right now I'm trying to find products that can really last under the mask, and when I take off the mask I will not look like a joker. So I think these products are a really good choice. If I had to purchase them again, I don't think I will purchase the Baci, but the other two I would still purchase them. So that's all for my review. Thank you for watching. Bye.